Maritime law is accidents, injuries, contracts. Our practice field deals more in the personal injury side. So for example, if you were to get injured on a vessel on navigable waters, you may have a claim. Probably the biggest thing that our clients face when they get injured on the job in a maritime setting is that their employer is pushing them back to work or threatening that they may not have their job unless they come back to work. And that's a weighing game of, do I pursue my cause of action all the way through, or do I just suck it up and go back to work?
If it's anything to do on a river, an ocean, the Gulf of Mexico, they should consult with us because we can tell them whether they have a maritime law case. When a client comes to us seeking our assistance, we explain the law to them. We keep them involved. And we explain the procedure of what's going to happen and the difficulties that are involved.
New Orleans is a hub for maritime cases out of tradition and was the center of oil and gas in the Gulf South. New Orleans still remains the epicenter of the maritime legal industry.
Large corporations often will try to hide information about what has transpired, so they know how to prevent you from getting information. And part of our experience and expertise is knowing how to get that information and what documents to get.
Differences between the Chopin Law Firm and other law firms as we approach maritime law is that we have all defended maritime cases.
We all have a defense background. I know what an employer is going to do when you get injured on the job. We know how to counteract that.
Our experience matches their experience, and in my humble opinion, our expertise is even better.
Sometimes our biggest role in these situations is just to be a listening ear and try to figure out what's best for the client.
Being a litigant in any case is an enormous administrative burden. Sometimes my job is to just make your life a little bit easier. For us, that's just what we do.